Good morning, everyone. Today we are Wednesday. Let's begin. Mood meter check-in. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling a little down? Or are you feeling angry? I'm feeling very happy because we're the middle of the week and we're almost done. Let's move on. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. The days of the week. Monday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Then my favorite, Friday. Then the weekend begins with Saturday, then Sunday. Reminder, everyone, Monday we have no school. Labor Day weekend. Hooray! Today we are Wednesday, September 2, 2020. Let's go over the month of the year. First off, we start off with January. Then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Quick trivia question. What holiday comes in October? I'll give you guys a hint. It involves candies. If you guessed Halloween, you are correct. Quick reminder, please stay active. And it's very hot outside, so make sure you drink plenty of water. Today's agenda is social studies. Life skills lesson of the week, folding clothes. Reminder, everyone, please help out your parents at home. And lastly, teacher contact information. All right, guys, let's make it a great day.